Hi everyone, tip to train today, tip to train to Greece. Guys in Greece, it's very good to hear that soon you're going to back in training, and from Israel that is finished with the COVID-19, or at least almost finished, you're joining us. So let's do today power drill, which is including something that is around the Krav Maga. So you can do kicks, you can use a stick or something like that, but we are training again outside, having a good time and thinking forward. Hope to see you soon, guys. Have fun, train good, and see you soon in Greece.